Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the essential accessories for your kids' electric ride on toys, the 24V charger by ARKABAKA. If you're looking for the best 24V battery charger for ride on toys in the market, this might just be it. Let's explore why. First off, this charger is designed specifically for 24V electric ride on cars and SUVs. It features a robust build and a sleek black design that fits seamlessly into your charging routine. One of the standout features is its LED display, which shows red while charging and green when your battery is fully charged. This not only ensures you know the charging status at a glance but also helps in preventing overcharging. Now, let's talk numbers. The charger operates at an input voltage range of 100V to 240V AC at 50 by 60 Hz, drawing 0.36 amps. For output, it delivers a steady 24V DC at 500 mA, making it both efficient and reliable for keeping your ride on toys powered up. Compatibility is key here. This charger is designed for various 24V children's electric vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit for models that require this specific voltage. Just remember, it's not suitable for 24V scooters, so be mindful of that when purchasing. Here are a few tips for optimal usage. Always check your toy's battery and connections before charging. Ensure the charger's plug matches your toy socket. And most importantly, avoid overcharging once the green light is on. It's time to unplug. To wrap it up, if you're in need of a dependable 24V charger for your kids' ride on toys, look no further than the ARKABAKA 24V charger. It combines affordability with functionality, making it a must-have accessory for every parent. Check the description below for more details and where to purchase. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.